Hi friends, welcome back to Marquee Soaps. Today we are doing a fun Christmas soap. We are doing a Sugar Plum Fairy soap. So we'll go ahead and get started the same way that we always do. Mix together our oils, our additives, and our butters, add in our lye, and make some soap. So I'm going to start by measuring off 3 accent colors. So our first accent color is some Iris Purple, and that is by Nurture Soap. Next we have some King Tut Gold by Mad Micas, and Hollywood Pink by Nurture Soap. So I'm going to mix these up by hand. Just to see how we like the colors. So these are looking good. I'm going to set them to the side and we'll work on our big bucket. So into our main bucket here is some Fantasia by Nurture Soap. So I'm going to go ahead and give our accent colors a quick mix with our stick blender, and then we'll add in the fragrance. The fragrance oil that we are using is a 50-50 blend of Snow Fairy and Sparkling Plum, and both of these were purchased from Wholesale Supplies Plus. It will discolor to a tan, so that's why I went ahead and I didn't do any whites, just trying to avoid some discoloration. The scent blend is so nice. I don't even know, it's like plums and citrus and a little bit of musk. Very, very nice. And it seems to be behaving well, which is always good. So I'm just going to get the fragrance blended into these accent colors, and then we will start pouring into our molds. So I'm going to start by pouring in our base purple. Get this scraped out. A couple passes of this pink. And then with the gold. It with the purple. So I think for this one I want to do a hanger swirl. So after I get all these buckets scraped out, we will grab our hanger swirl. We're just going to go in the middle and swirl it to the sides. mix up some soap frosting and we'll come back and we will finish this up by piping on top. Hi friends, welcome back to Marquee Soaps. We are going to cut into the Sugar Plum Fairy soap now. And here is the first bar. So just a very light swirl in there. All the glitter and mica on top. We will go ahead and clean up, get the edges beveled. This is just a nice fun soap. The smell is very unique. I like it a lot. I don't think I've ever used a plum fragrance before. It's very nice. Very nice. So this soap, if you are interested, will be available on the special fall and winter shop update on Sunday, Sunday, September the 5th. I try to have everything available at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. This release, I do have lots and lots of product going, so I don't know, I'm hoping to have it available at 10 a.m. So if you personally know me and see me the last couple weeks of August and I look like a complete mess, it's because I am busy getting ready for this release. It will be huge, but it will be totally worth it, and I am so excited to have all of these new products available for everyone. So I'm gonna quit rambling. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you next time. Bye guys.